In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your terms of service on Shopify, an essential aspect of running a successful online store. Let's get started on making sure your policies are up to date and clearly communicated to your customers. To begin, you'll want to access your Shopify dashboard. This is your main control center, where you manage everything from products to orders. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of options and features at your disposal. Now, direct your attention to the gear icon, representing Settings. You'll find this icon in the lower left corner of your screen. Clicking on it will take you to the Settings area, which is jam-packed with options for configuring your store exactly how you want it. Once inside the Settings menu, look again to the lower left. Here, you'll find an option labeled Policies. Clicking on Policies brings you to a crucial section of Shopify where you manage various written policies that apply to your store. These policies aren't just bureaucratic formalities. They serve as clear guidelines that help build trust with your customers by outlining the terms under which they agree to transact with you. Next, you need to locate the section for your terms of service. Shopify makes this pretty straightforward. In the Policies area, you will see different types of written policies listed, often including refund, privacy, and shipping policies alongside the terms of service. Focus on the Terms of Service option and click on it. This action will take you to a dedicated page where you can view, add to, or edit the text of your existing terms of service. When you find yourself on the Terms of Service page, you have the opportunity to tailor your terms to better fit your business model and legal requirements. Here you can add any new clauses, edit existing ones, or completely overhaul your terms if necessary. This is your chance to ensure that the terms are clear, comprehensive, and specifically aligned with how you operate your business and interact with your customers. Be sure to review your terms carefully, considering how they might be interpreted and applied. Once you've made the necessary additions and changes, you'll want to publish them to make sure they are live on your website for customers to see. Look for the Publish button, which is usually prominently displayed on the page. Clicking this button will save your changes and officially update your terms of service on your online store. And there you have it. By taking these steps, you're not only upholding best practices in business transparency, but also fostering trust with your customers. Now you can confidently assure them that your policies are clear and accessible. Thanks for following along, and happy